The Maricopa County Attorney's Office and Alistair Adele under the microscope yet again, this time for dozens upon dozens of dropped charges. Fox 10's Steve Nielsen has more on what happened.
Well, criminal charges have to be filed within a certain length of time, and if they aren't filed by that deadline, those charges are dropped. And that's what reportedly happened here nearly 200 times. With dozens of charges dropped, many want answers.
I think things need to be reviewed systemically to see what the actual problem is with the office as a whole, or whether it be one person.
The Maricopa County Attorney's Office confirms they had to drop 180 misdemeanor cases, including drunk driving and domestic assault cases, because prosecutors failed to review the cases before the charging deadline passed. County Attorney Alistair Adele has faced many questions since winning her last election. She was away from the office in September last year after undergoing treatment in a rehabilitation facility. Last month, several of her top prosecutors signed a letter asking her to resign. Criminal defense attorney Jack Litwack says they need to look at what went wrong.
Obviously, it's a serious problem, serious concern, and a culmination of everything else that's been going on the last year. It's extremely telling on what type of action somebody should probably take.
Tom Mooring represents April Sponsel, a county attorney who is suing Adele, claiming Sponsel was made the scapegoat for filing gang charges against protesters in 2020.
These things absolutely happen sometimes. None of us is perfect, and all of us is people. But it didn't happen sometimes. Steve, it happened 180 times.
MCSO Sheriff Paul Penzone released a lengthy statement confirming he had a meeting with Adele and the DPS colonel. In a statement, he said, "The colonel and I recognize the difficulties in managing complex organizations and the corresponding challenges, but we found nothing to mitigate or exonerate the breadth of this deficiency." And he said right now his highest priority is on the victims of these crimes, because justice will not be happening in these cases. He also said he wants to be assured that this will not happen again. Steve Nielsen, Fox 10 News.